Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead Alive mini is the Miner from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and gets started with German camo black-brown over his jacket and hat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join the Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his trousers base coated with dark green grey. For the shirt and inside of the rip on his trousers, I start off with a base coat of warm grey. Getting all of the skin done, I used dead flesh. All of the leather parts now get a quick base coat with Cuirass leather. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base and wooden handle gets done with Plague Brown. There are a few sticks of dynamite sticking out of one of his bag. To bring these up, I went over them with Hellspawn red. Starting on the highlights, I used a Jade green to go over all of the flat areas on his trousers and around the edges of the rip. Highlighting his jacket and hat now, I grabbed Ancient Forest, brought up all of the edges and flat areas. For all of the leather bags and straps, I used Paladin flesh just to get a highlight on these parts. Pushing the shirt closer to white, I used Grimy grey to go over the bulk of it, leaving that darker tone in the recesses and around the edges. All of the metal parts now get done with plate armour. To wash the Mini, I just use light tone wash over everything. The base now gets some Sandy Desert texture paste added to it. Finishing up, I throw on some Vampire Thirst in random places. And that will be it for the miner. He was a nice and easy one to get finished up. He almost has that Indiana Jones vibe, just with different coloured trousers. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.